Hey everyone, in this video you'll show you how to use Google Finance for stock names in Google Sheets to automatically display stock names and related information in seconds. First, open Google Sheets and select a cell where you want the stock name to appear. Then type the formula equals Google Finance, open bracket, quotation mark, your stock ticker, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, name, quotation mark, and close the bracket. For example, if you type equals and paste this Google Finance APPL, name, Google Sheets will instantly return the full company name, Apple Inc. You can use this for any public company by simply changing the ticker symbol, such as GOOGL for Alphabet or TSLA for Tesla. This is extremely useful when building financial dashboards, tracking investments, or organizing stock data automatically. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Google Sheets tips.